Hi, Microsoft Power BI is one of the widely used business intelligence tool at the present time. It is used for both data analysis and data visualizations. In these lessons, we are going to learn how to download Power BI desktop application that is absolutely free for our users. Apart from this, we are also going to learn that its interface. So what we need to do, we have to start with that we have to go for google.com. Okay, so here we can write like download Power BI desktop. Okay, this Power BI desktop is absolutely free, so this will direct to this interface. Download Power BI, Microsoft Power BI, we can click on it. So then this will direct us to this interface. So we have two options here that we have to decide. We have to check where we are going to install this. Is it in that our system or it is in mobile? We have two options here. So we have to check here also Microsoft whether it is that where in mobile, suppose we are using Microsoft, where we want to that download these options. Since we are going to download this, since I am going to download these options, these applications in my system, I will opt for this advanced download options. So then it will direct to this. Okay, so here we have like select language, it is in English, and download. Okay, so then we have to go for checking of our system configurations. Okay, so if our system is 64-bit operating system or it is something called 32-bit operating system, how we can check? We can go for control panel. It is called control panel. Control panel, we can go for this. So in our control panel, we can go for system. This is system. Under system, in that we will get this information. So here we can see system type. So my system is 64-bit operating systems. I am going to use this. You can check your system whether it is 64-bit or it is called 60. Sorry, it is 32-bit. We can check this accordingly. We can go for this. So I will go for this. Then I will go for this next options. Okay. So then it will take us here. So since I have already this, I am not going to download this because I have already installed it. Therefore what I am going to do, or it is also that advice to you, after downloading this applications, what you need to do, you need to run this applications. Okay. In this that you need to run these applications. After running these applications, so you will get an icon here. Okay, in the desktop you can click on the icon, desktop icon, then this will open this interface. Okay, so simply if you are going for this collaborate and share, it is actually you need the Power BI license. Power BI license is having many more additional features. We are not going to use simple data like Excel data we are going to use here. So I don't need this. This version desktop of version is free. We can simply close it. So this is the interface that we are going to get. So Power BI, just as many other that Microsoft app, like you can talk about MS Office, like MS Word, Excel, PowerPoint, we will get this ribbon. Okay, so we can check like file options is there. We will have this like this. Similarly, we have this insert, modeling, view, help. All these things are also there. Under each like we will get this that options. Okay. So this is Microsoft Power BI ribbon. So here we have some of the panes. There are three panes are there. We can see. So filter pane. This filter pane helps us to add filter to our data according to our requirement. We can use different kinds of filters that subsequently we are going to see. So then different kinds of visuals are also there. We can drag one visual. This is called canvas, where we can create our dashboard. Okay, we can drag one like visuals one. We can build, you can drag here the visualizations options or visuals, and accordingly we can build the visuals that we need it. Okay. So visualization pane basically it helps us to build visuals in our canvas. So this is called field. So in Excel there are different types of like columns will be there. There will be like numeric columns. There will be text based columns. Okay, all these things will appear here. So apart from this, we can also page 1 if you want to do that add page 2, page 3 like this we can also add. So if it is required we can delete. If we want to like rename this we can rename here, delete, duplicate, we can create, hide. These options are also there. So there are three options that we have been given. This is called report view. This is called report view, present view. Since we have not imported any sort of data, we are just trying to understand the Power BI interface. So we don't have data here. Since we don't have data, this field pane is empty. So once we input data, there will be different columns that will appear here. So once this is done here, so we can, when we build visuals one by one as part of our dashboard, the report will appear here. Okay. Then we will have this like data sets. Since there is no data, it is completely empty. So the way we are finding Excel sheets, this will also appear. Then this is the modeling. Okay, so we will find also different connections between variables. Okay, so here we will get it. So there are three options are this is report view, this is data view, this is model view. So these three that options that we are going to use subsequently. So that's for the lessons. Let us review what we have learned. Basically in these lessons what we have learned how to download Power BI desktop applications in our system, and besides that we also learn that its interface, some glimpse of its interface without using data we have also seen this in this system. That's for the lessons. I will see you in the next one.